Hi, I'm Marion Rutt, listing agent for 34 Reagan Drive in Ephrata's Lincoln's Meadow. This beautiful two-story home, just under 1/2 acre, is ready for a new homeowner. The foyer with hardwood floors, powder room, and large coat closet welcomes you into over 2,100 square feet of living space. You will love the spacious great room with stone fireplace and many windows. The pillared formal dining room, currently used as a sitting room, has a large window and hardwood floors and is centrally located. The lovely dining area with bump-out windows, hardwood floors, and slider to deck opens to the efficiently designed kitchen. A cozy screened-in porch, laundry room, and two-car garage completes the first floor. The open staircase leads to the second floor with 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The master bedroom suite includes a private bath with double vanity and a large walk-in closet, plus an additional closet and a linen closet. There are 3 additional nice-sized bedrooms off the hallway. The convenience of a second full bath with double vanity will be a plus for guests or family. This well cared for home is near the playground, pavilion, and walking trails. Thank you for viewing 34 Reagan Drive, and call the Marion Rutt team for your private showing at 717-859-7019.